Good morning. Today's January 24th, and today's refinishing project is located in Livermore, California. All right, so today in Livermore, we're going to be refinishing the standard size steel bathtub here, porcelain overlay bathtub. This bathtub was previously refinished before. We just got done stripping it, the old coating off of it here. So underneath the old coating, it looks like there's a huge patch here, and not sure what's going on there. I'm assuming it's a dip in the tub where water retains. A lot of times these particular tubs, when they come from the manufacturer, it's a defect sometimes like that when they're stamped, and there's a low area right there where water retains, and so it looks like it's been leveled up there. So we're gonna sand that out and redo this and fully prep it out and refinish it. A bathtub that needs to be stripped, and this type of a repair is usually a full day. So we just got done stripping it, and we're gonna get started on the repairs and prepping, masking, and then we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. All right, so we finished the bathtub up here in Livermore, California. Let's check it out. So we had to strip this bathtub. It was previously refinished before. The customer said like 20 years ago it was some sort of epoxy on there. So the first thing we did was stripped off the old coating and found a huge patch down in this area. There was some rust down there, so we went ahead and sanded all that out and put our patch down there and sanded it smooth, and then prepped the tub out and fully refinished it, gloss white. Turned out really nice. This one's really shiny. Huge difference. It took roughly 7 hours to complete this bathtub. The stripping went pretty quick. It wasn't too difficult. Sometimes stripping the coating off could be really tedious, but this one went pretty smooth, so I was able to get it done in 7 hours, and it turned out fantastic. Fully caulked around the top, around the sides and the base. Alright, so there's the bathtub in Livermore. If you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.